Alright, so what I'm going to do here is show you how to get StatCrunch into Excel. Might have to switch some windows here because it does get a bit odd window-wise, so bear with me. I'm going to go into the StatCrunch data. So down to StatCrunch. Data set from the textbook. I'm just going to choose one here. Let's see, hypothesis testing with one, exercise 7. Why not? And so I want this row of data. So if I click that down arrow, I get everything, and then I can play with this here. But what I want is, and this is the same as hitting Control A. If you click in there, so I'm going to hold down, I'm going to hit Control C. And this has now copied all the data into the memory on my computer. And now what I'm going to need to do is I come over here to Excel, and I'll click into, here I'll replace this cell, I don't want to use this cell here. So click into here, and I can go to Edit and Paste, or I can hit Control V, and it's going to ask me, hey, what do you want to do with these? Generally, hitting OK, it's pre-separated, and I get my data across. And so that's how we move things from StatCrunch to Excel.